Hey everybody, welcome to another video. This is Gardening with Brian, 2018, episode number 2. I don't have long because of battery, but I just wanted to give you a little update. Yesterday I pulled the last of the parsley out and put it into these 6-packs. The lettuce is popping pretty good. I've only got 3 peppers, 4. And this other parsley is looking good too. Tomatoes are doing awesome. That's 1 pepper plant right there. Otherwise it's all tomatoes. Look at these guys. They're so tall. They're so tall. They're getting so big. And then we've got 2 potatoes left here that I did not plant. And the rest of my potatoes, as you can see, still got the bucket of potatoes, bucket of potatoes, bucket of potatoes. Now all of those, I'll do another video on the potatoes when I actually plant the other bucket. But basically these guys had grown from here all the way taller than this. You know, they're about yay high. So I'll move them all into these guys, about 4 inches off the bottom, and just filled with dirt. They do not have a drain, so once it doesn't look like that outside, and I can move them into there, then we're going to set up a whole bunch of raised buckets. Cool little bucket system. Do some container gardening this year in addition to the raised beds right here. But yeah, I just wanted to give everyone a quick little update. Kenny, these tomatoes are freaking awesome. I've grown a bunch of tomatoes before over the years, even seeds, cuttings, back at Hennepin Tech, but like, these guys are crazy. They're awesome, man. Like, I can't wait to see their fruit. And this